If you're considering investing in social media management and analytics software, you're probably comparing it with a few alternatives to find what suits your needs. In this video, we'll go over the 12 key things you need to know before buying, especially when it comes to social search, this software that's making waves in the industry. But don't make your decision just yet, as we'll show you how it stacks up against other tools and whether it's truly the best fit for your business. First thing, it's a robust tool that combines social media management with analytics, allowing you to schedule, publish, and analyze your content across multiple platforms. What sets social search apart from competitors like Hootsuite and Buffer is its deeper integration with analytics. It not only helps you manage posts, but it also offers powerful insights, giving you a more comprehensive view of how your content is performing in real time. The second thing you'll want to consider is its user interface. Compared to some other platforms, social search boasts a more intuitive design, making it easier for even beginners to navigate. Its drag-and-drop calendar for scheduling is straightforward, and you don't need a steep learning curve to start making the most of the tool. However, if you're looking for something highly customizable, tools like Sprout Social might offer more flexibility. The third thing, cost. Social search offers a range of pricing plans that are competitive for the features it provides. For small businesses, the basic plan is cost-effective, but once you move up to more advanced tiers, you may find that the price jumps up significantly. Be sure to compare it with alternatives like Zoho Social, which offers more affordable plans for smaller teams, even if the features aren't quite as deep. Next thing is customer support. Social search provides solid support through various channels, including live chat, email, and a comprehensive knowledge base. While it's responsive, it doesn't quite match up to platforms like AgriPulse, which is known for its exceptional customer service and quicker response times. The fifth thing you should know is its reporting capabilities. Social search provides detailed reports, but the customization is somewhat limited compared to competitors like Sprout Social, which offers more extensive options to create reports tailored to your needs. If you rely heavily on advanced reporting, you may need to explore other options before settling on social search. The sixth thing to consider is its integration capabilities. Social search does a great job connecting with major social media platforms, but when compared to tools like Buffer or HubSpot, it has fewer native integrations with third-party apps like email marketing software or CRM tools. If you need a tool that fits seamlessly into a larger workflow, this could be a limiting factor. The seventh thing, collaboration tools. Social search offers some team collaboration options, but it doesn't match the advanced features of Hootsuite, which allows for more detailed user permissions and streamlined workflows. If you're managing a large team, this might impact your experience. The eighth thing is its scheduling features. Social search has a solid scheduling system with an easy-to-use calendar and bulk scheduling options, but it lacks some of the more advanced features that others like Later provide, like the ability to visually plan your Instagram posts. The ninth thing to know is its mobile app. While the desktop version is great, the mobile experience is a bit more basic compared to other competitors. If you're someone who relies heavily on mobile access for managing your accounts, tools like Buffer may offer a more robust mobile app. The 10th thing is its scalability. Social search works well for smaller teams and businesses, but if you're a large enterprise or scaling up quickly, you might run into limitations. For more scalable solutions, you might want to look into Sprout Social, which has more enterprise-grade features. The 11th thing is its content management. While social search lets you store content for easy reuse, it's not as strong in content curation compared to tools like BuzzSumo, which excels in finding trending content for engagement. And finally, the 12th thing you need to know is whether it's the right fit for you. While social search is a solid option with a variety of features, it might not offer everything you need. If you're looking for more advanced tools in analytics or team management, you might want to explore alternatives. It's a good option, but if you're after a more feature-packed solution, check out our recommended tool that you can try for free.